Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good Wednesday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. A lot of excitement today. We just got in our awards for the CEE Real Estate Awards, which is taking place March 31st at the Radisson Hotel in Bucharest. So we just got the first ones in. They look great, very exciting. A lot of people on the jury as well. We've got 16 jury members. PBB Deutsche Pfandbrief Bank. We have AFI Europe, Bogart, One United Properties, Speedwell, SEMO, Sweet Gallery. Quite a few retailers actually already signed up to. UniCredit Bank, New Work Flex Offices, the CEE Business Media, we've got, which is doing a lot of the BPO or shared services. They're bringing a lot of those kind of companies and tech companies to the SEE and Romania region, and also just showing off, their new offices and what they've done they're some of the biggest employers in taking office space. MK Illumination, Optim, Retail SEE Group, and also Erste Group Bank AG. So great to have a good first round of jury members on. Very exciting event coming up in Romania. March 31st at the Radisson Blue Hotel in Bucharest. Before that, of course, we have MIPIC coming up, and we have our CE Real Estate Guide. Winston, putting that together now. I see you're...
Yeah, we're heavily involved with that one. Yeah.
A lot of ESG, a lot of interesting ESG reports, a lot of comments on that sector. So if you're doing anything in ESG or want to promote that your company is, let us know, because we have a big section on that. Also a big section on retail, as we have the Retail Awards, so it's retail... logistics, also something interesting, and of course always a bit on PRS as well, covering that, because many of our investors are well into that now. So having said that, let's take a little break. You'll see a little bit about the SEE Awards. We'll come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, with the news. Welcome to the 17th Annual Europa Property Southeastern European Real Estate Awards and SEE Forum, held March 31st at the SAS Radisson Blu in Bucharest, Romania. With the most active international, regional, and local investors, developers, and property owners attending, this event continues to be the single most important in the region. The deadline for nominations is February 24th, and with seating limited and the Radisson Ballroom quickly filling up, now is the time to reserve your sponsorship package or corporate table. Welcome back, Winston. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig.
All right, Craig, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
You look good today.
Thank you.
So let's jump right into the news. Yep.
Right, and we'll start in Romania, as we got the SEE Awards coming up.
Yeah,
so lots of news coming out of Romania. And Globalworth, big developer down there.
Yep.
They've just received BREEAM Outstanding accreditation for Globalworth SQUARE, and they had a 99% scoring, and this was achieved together with BuildGreen, their sustainability experts down there. And and apparently it's the third ranked best BREEAM Outstanding building in the world. And that's for Bucharest, Romania.
Wow, what are the other two?
Well, it's a good question, but third is a pretty good ranking.
Not bad.
Yeah.
So globally third in the world. Wow.
Yeah, that's really good.
I guess the other two got 100%.
A little bit higher.
Yeah.
A little bit better.
99.5, okay.
Yeah, but it's a great achievement, I think, for Romania, and it's the way the world is going with the real estate development these days. Highly focused on sustainability and ecology and zero carbon footprint and all that.
What also shows that Globalworth is serious about.
Yeah, they're a leader in Romania and a leader in office development, and this just goes to show it.
Okay, well, some of our guests coming to the SEE Awards and the BPO shared services tech companies will want to be in that kind of building.
You would imagine. And staying in Romania and moving to logistics sector and master build, this is a new a new construction development firm to me. I've not heard of it before, and they're developing a 33,000 square meter plot, a 16,000 square meter logistics park just in the north of Bucharest. This is a 20 million euro investment, and it's a build-to-suit development. And again, it's going to have BREEAM certification, and its construction will begin the second half of this year.
A lot going on in Romania.
Seems to be, yeah. And moving to Poland and in the investment market, and here's an investor I haven't heard of for a while, but M7 Real Estate has sold Mokotów Plaza in Warsaw to FLE, and they were represented by Avison Young. And Mokotów Plaza it was refurbished in 2014, and it's leased to tenants as Enelmed, BDO, and Rockwool.
Oh, those are some good ones.
Yep, some good big tenants there. Staying in Warsaw and staying in the office market, and HB Reavis has announced that they've leased 10 floors to Box, which is a Silicon Valley-based cloud content management company, and they're going into Warsaw Tower, which is 10 floors, almost 16,000 square meters, so massive leasing deal there. And Warsaw Tower is the showpiece from HB Reavis. It's that development that's next to the station in Warsaw, centre Warsaw. It's like a hub, mixed use with office, hotel, innovation hub, and retail opportunities there.
Yeah, it's a great facility, great complex.
Yeah, and the tower is scheduled to be completed by mid 2022, and Box are set to move into the tower by March 2023.
Oh, American tech company taking 10 floors.
Yeah, it's tech is huge these days, isn't it?
Right.
The biggest clients. And finally for today, Panettone continues their impressive expansion throughout the region, and they're opening an office in Austria. They've got a new branch in Vienna, and according to CBRE, Austria is having a somewhat of a logistics boom, like the rest of the world. And in 2021, total investment was around 440 million euros, and 390,000 square meters of logistics space was completed in 2021. According to Panettone, there's huge demand there, which is far exceeding supply.
Right. Okay.
So there's a big need. And they're very excited about this latest ongoing expansion and continued growth in the region.
Well, Austria is a pretty good place to have the logistics hub, right?
Yeah, it's a great hub. Yeah, right in the middle there.
Yeah, right. Well, Winston, thank you for that. Great news, and always interesting to hear. So keep in contact with us on MIPIM. We've got a great stand there. I just saw the stand floor plan, so we got some cool stuff for the stand. We've got great. We're once again the CEE International Media Partner for MIPIM, so come and join us on the stand. We've got very good distribution of all of our magazines throughout the fair, and so definitely pick one up if you're going to be at MIPIM, or let us know you're going to be there or would like to advertise to some of the people at MIPIM. And of course, right after, 2 weeks after, is our SEE Awards in Romania. Looking forward to that. It's been 2 years of online, so it'll be great to see everybody in person. Having said that, enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for watching. Thank our 8,000 viewers for watching our daily news. And we will see you all on Thursday morning.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.